Management role. AI/ML model in Python that models an organization plan for R&D, production direction, and process control using a random forest classifier with k-fold cross-validation. This can be used to demonstrate how AI/ML methods, particularly random forest and k-fold cross-validation, can provide insights into these processes. For this example, I'm using organization sample data from R&D, production, and process control, and applying random forest with k-fold cross-validation to classify success based on various factors. Pradeep K. Suri. Model Architect. Author, Researcher, and AIDNN Architect. Explanation of the Classification Report and Feature Importance. 1. Classification Report. The Classification Report provides detailed metrics to evaluate the performance of a classification model. Let's break down each metric. Precision, the proportion of correctly predicted positive observations to the total predicted positives. A higher precision means fewer false positives. For class 0, failure precision equals 0.39. For class 1, success precision equals 0.55. Recall, the proportion of correctly predicted positive observations to all observations in the actual class. A higher recall means fewer false negatives. For class 0, failure recall equals 0.28. For class 1, success recall equals 0.68. F1 score, the weighted average of precision and recall, giving a balanced measure of both. It is especially useful when class distribution is imbalanced. For class 0, F1 equals 0.33. For class 1, F1 equals 0.61. Support, the number of occurrences of each class in the test set. For class 0, failure support equals 86. For class 1, success support equals 114. Accuracy, the overall proportion of correct predictions. Here, the accuracy is 0.51, meaning the model correctly classified 51% of the instances. Macro average, the unweighted mean of precision, recall, and F1 score across both classes. Weighted average, the mean of precision, recall, and F1 score, weighted by the number of instances in each class. 2. Feature importance. The feature importance shows the relative importance of each feature in making predictions in the random forest model. Features with higher importance scores are more influential in determining the model's output. Production_direct_cost, 23.9%. AI_ML_advantage, 23.4%. Process_control_efficiency, 23.3%. R&D_investment, 22.7%. Mentorship_level, 6.7%. This suggests that production direct cost and AI/ML advantage are the most influential features, while mentorship level contributes the least. Plotting the classification report and feature importance as bar charts. Here is a Python program that uses Plotly to visualize both the classification report metrics and feature importance. Explanation of the code. 1. Classification report bar chart. The data for precision, recall, and F1 score is stored in a data frame. A grouped bar chart is created to visualize the performance of the model for class 0, failure, and class 1, success, along with the weighted average. Each metric is displayed in a separate group for easier comparison. 2. Feature importance bar chart. The data for feature importance is stored in another data frame. A simple bar chart is plotted to visualize how important each feature is in predicting success or failure. Insights. Classification report. From the charts, we can see that the model has better precision, recall, and F1 scores for class 1, success, suggesting the model is better at predicting success than failure. Feature importance, production direct cost, AI/ML advantage, and process control efficiency are the key factors driving success or failure, whereas mentorship level plays a smaller role. These bar charts help management understand where the model performs well and which features are crucial for improving success in R&D and production control. The diagram titled AI/ML Advantage at Every Level Mentorship illustrates the 4 key pillars of management planning: organizing, directing, and controlling in relation to how AI/ML, artificial intelligence/machine learning, can enhance each area. 1. Plan. Planning is the first step in the management cycle and involves the creation of goals, objectives, and strategies before taking action. AI/ML integration helps in analyzing external and internal information, providing insights to aid decision-making. The overall plan is broken down into detailed financial terms, such as financial goals, and AI can assist in forecasting business requirements and resource allocation. AI engines can analyze market data, predict trends, and define detailed financial models for the business. 2. Organize. This step involves converting plans into actionable steps, relating to personal functions, and establishing an organizational structure. AI/ML is useful for automating routine tasks and allocating resources efficiently by predicting the required workforce and material based on historical and real-time data. Duties and responsibilities for each role are clearly defined, and AI can support optimization by helping the business align its workforce structure to meet goals more effectively. 3. Direct. Directing involves motivating personnel and guiding the organization toward the objectives set during the planning stage. AI/ML systems can optimize communication flow, ensuring that the right information reaches the right individuals at the right time. Through AI-enhanced communication, employee performance and task assignments can be monitored and adjusted in real time to improve outcomes. AI can also assist in developing incentive programs by predicting motivational factors that increase workforce productivity. 4. Control. Controlling is concerned with measuring performance against established goals to ensure proper execution. AI engines can provide continuous performance measurement tools, monitoring KPIs, and offering real-time feedback on deviations from expected outcomes. Through continuous monitoring and analysis, AI provides insights into necessary corrective actions, such as adjusting processes, reallocating resources, or addressing inefficiencies in operations. Feedback loop. AI/ML engines facilitate a prompt feedback loop where real-time data is constantly analyzed, allowing for timely modifications to the plan, organizing resources, directing tasks, or controlling deviations. The feedback loop is essential for continuous improvement, allowing businesses to stay agile and responsive to internal and external changes. AI/ML integration. AI/ML engines process both external, market trends, customer data, and internal, operational metrics, employee performance, information to enhance decision-making across all stages of management. By doing so, AI/ML not only streamlines the processes but also enhances accuracy in predictions and optimizes organizational performance, improving overall efficiency and success. Incorporating AI into each management level ensures better decision-making through data-driven insights and allows for greater flexibility, adaptability, and responsiveness in the dynamic business environment. This Python program creates an interactive bar chart to visualize the importance of different features in a monitoring and control system. Here's a breakdown of the code in management terms. 1. Data preparation. The program starts by defining a dictionary named feature_importance_data. This dictionary acts like a table with 2 columns. Feature, this lists the names of the factors affecting the monitoring and control system, such as production direct cost or mentorship level. Importance, this column holds numerical values between 0 and 1, indicating how much each feature contributes to the overall effectiveness of the system. 2. Creating the chart. The program uses the data dictionary to create a pandas data frame, which is essentially a more organized table format. It then uses a library called Plotly to generate a bar chart. The chart displays features on the x-axis and their importance scores on the y-axis. 3. Adding interactivity. The program doesn't stop at a static chart. It adds interactive elements using checkboxes. 2 sets of checkboxes are created. Global controls, 3 buttons allow you to quickly show all bars, hide all bars, or toggle visibility for specific features. An example is provided. Individual feature controls, each bar on the chart gets its own checkbox. Clicking a checkbox allows you to show or hide that specific feature. 4. Presenting the results. Finally, the program displays the interactive bar chart. Benefits for management. This program gives managers a clear and interactive way to understand importance of different factors. Managers can see which factors, example R&D investment, have the biggest impact on monitoring and control effectiveness. Focus areas, the high importance features might require more attention or resources for improvement. Exploration, managers can easily explore the data by showing/hiding specific features and comparing their relative importance. This interactive visualization allows for quick and focused analysis, aiding in decision-making regarding factors influencing the success of the monitoring and control system. The bar chart illustrates the feature importance for monitoring and control with checkboxes, comparing the importance scores of 3 features. 1 AI_ML_ advantage. Displayed with a blue bar. Has the highest importance score, just above 0.20. 2 R&D_investment. Shown with a red bar. Its importance score is similar to AI_ML_ advantage, also slightly above 0.20, but lower by a small margin. 3 mentorship_level. Represented by a green bar. Has the lowest importance score, which is slightly above 0.10. On the right side, there's a control panel with the following checkboxes. Show all, likely to display all features in the bar chart. Hide all, likely to hide all features from the bar chart. Toggle individual features, possibly controls which specific features appear. R&D_investment and mentorship_level, these may allow you to show or hide these specific features from the chart. The chart likely represents a way to evaluate the relative importance of different variables in some AI/ML monitoring or control system. Each bar's height reflects the importance score of the corresponding feature. Thank you.